Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the how to download and install JDK ADT bundle and how to create one apps in Android and how to run. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position to here so you can watch better way my video lecture. So first step in your laptop or PC, you have to check which version install JDK. So here in my laptop, Java and program files, and that is JDK 1.7.0 underscore 25 and old one JDK 1.5.0 underscore 12. So there are two JDK. So NetBean also I install in. So that is a appropriate JDK. So 1.6 or higher version that is requirement to today latest ADT bundle Android development tools, that is full form of ADT. So first step, you have to check to your laptop PC, and then second step, you can download and install. Yes, in my laptop that already installed. So here there is no need, but I just show you. So here we can say that JDK like 1.8 for Windows, that is directly appear, and here some T, yes, that trial also. You can also go in Oracle website, and that standard reference you can download, and then there is a one or one minute that is that install very quick and only taking 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. So here you can look here, that is I open this Oracle website, and here that is I think our Linux, that so many OS is there, but here our requirement is that window, yes, any one, so you can download from internet. And then third step, first check which version JDK in your PC or laptop, then download if not in your laptop PC. And then third step we can take as ADT bundle. So I close and here ADT, so that is a ADT bundle Windows, yes, that I click, and that one link is open. So index files in Android ADT bundles. So that list out appropriate here Linux or Window, and here last I just click. So that open that zip file, so we can okay, so that is download. And WinRAR, that software you can, then after I close this, and then that is only download, not install. That directly you can place any drive. So in my E drive, that is one folder, that software, and that I take as ADT bundle. So you can look here, and then you can right click in that zip folder and extract to any drive. So like extract file, so that asking which drive, so EF, so that is better. You can not in C drive, you can also extract in C drive, but that our software is there. So I extract F or E. Okay, so just select and okay, so that is extract. So I already extract. So now we can go, and here one important thing you have to clear in mind here. Sometimes that SDK, software development kit, that taking error, how creating error. So I give one demo and then I give the solution also. So first I select, yes, here my E drive ADT bundle, yes, here look, and that is there are two folder and one that is a SDK manager. So here that taking I by mistakenly passing that folder name is changed, and how open preference, that is my goal to understand. So here that error is taking, let us check one error is there. So first that Android development tools that open, let us check, and how SDK we can take appropriate version for drive. So let us check how open preference, that option is available. So that step I also cover in this video lecture. So that is a perfectly here there are no any error, but after that SDK is load, that time taking error. Now that error is coming. So here you can look that Android SDK, yes, could not find SDK folder Android.sdk, because our folder is name is a here open preference. Yes, that option is available. So So directly you can open here, that option is available. So that coming and I cancel. So why that taking error here? Our folder name, you can look here, that is why generating this error. So ADT bundle that name, and in that say that Android name. So that is a conflict. So that SDK is not loaded. So what is a solution? So yes, what to do. So here that look I minimize, and now that window is gone. So how open? So yes, that is also cover, yes, in window folder, means a window, that menu, and then this window screen, that is a here preference, yes, that option is available. And next, yes, here you can look Android. So you can in left panel you can select Android here. So any cursor in any place, so you can just click in Android, and then yes, that error is taking, because here error. So we can browse button I click, and now we can go in our appropriate folder. When you can extract your SDK, only one time you can set this process. So here ADT bundle, so anytime you can shift your ADT bundle one drive to other drive. So ADT, that SDK path you can also change. That is a very important. So I select yes, and now okay. So now that again okay here this window, now that is a going on process. Yes, here that taking some process, and now that is a I think perfectly. So all process is completing. Then our activity, that white hello world, that is display. So let us check. So here that toggle button one demo is there. So yes, that perfectly. So that is a solution. Okay, so that is a how to configuration. So open preference, that is a very important. Yes. Now I can close this, because that is a just I creating error for your reference how to solve SDK for appropriate version. So now you can look in E drive, that now taking folder ADT bundle. So we can take from that SDK. So yes, I already yes, I think you have to know how to take a icon. So just I go in F drive, and ADT bundle I extract to here also, and Eclipse, and that logo you can just right click and send to desktop. So every time we cannot open in here in our drive, so directly from desktop we can click. So I double click. Now step. So first step, you can check JDK version which available in your PC. Then second step, download from internet and install. Then third, ADT bundle download and just extract, not install. And then if you can not appropriate SDK path is found, so you can configuration, open preference window menu, go and preference option is selected, and left panel you can Android option, and then you can browse button click and select your appropriate SDK in your folder. So that is complete, and now we can how to create one apps in Android and how to run. So here you can create one blank folder here, that is Android underscore 2021. So that folder I already created. If you not create, so first you can go in your PC and create. Yes, I think you have to know very well how to create folder. So that I create one folder. So that you have to create one folder, and that folder, that ADT store your project in your folder, that is called as a work page. So I now click OK. So that taking some process, and that Android developer or development, sometimes that word used as a development. So that half an minutes that start. Okay, so we can wait, and all component that perfectly loading. So that yes, that open, but here you can look some error is there, because here that SDK is loading. So all error is gone after SDK perfectly load. Now you can look all error is gone. So yes, till now some error is there. So here you can look here some process is going on. So wait, otherwise yes, all here percentage, so 100 percentage taking perfectly. So or all error is gone. Now you can look. So now I can close all previously file and then we can create. Yes, how to create an first app. So file menu, new, yes, that is a step, file menu, new, and then here Android application project. So yes, here that first screen, that is a name is new Android application, enter an name in the show in launcher. So here we can give the name. So that is we can say that first underscore demo, because first is already there. So we can here unique name, you cannot taking as any duplicate name. So here I just remove, and here that you can give any previously name. So like I first, so here a project name already exists in your workspace folder. So always give the unique name. So first underscore demo, and our in Java there is package name is same, that our application name is same, and here that is a package is created. So file name means project name or our package name is same. There is no any change is required. Minimum SDK target compile with 4 Jelly Bean API 17, that is application programming interface. Just 4 times you can press next. So that is the first time I press the next button. Then here second window is appear, new Android application. So here already that our default folder is selected. Otherwise you can uncheck and browse and take your appropriate drive to your folder. So select your perfectly. If no, and you can, if not previously created any folder, you can make a new folder to here also. So I just cancel because that is perfectly our folder. I check that checkbox again, and next second time I press this means that screen. So 4 times next you have to provide. So here that you have to chance to change your icon, launcher underscore icon. That is a full different. That default is a HDPI. So here you can also change the color. Yes, but I not change in first. And next I press yes. Now that main activity. Yes, here I third time default, that is a blank activity, and full screen activity master details. So there is here no any changes required in first steps. So I press next button. So there are 4 times we have to press the next button, and main activity, that is our Java file, and activity underscore main, that is our XML layout file. So here you can also change the file name, but here there is no require that by default we have to take and finish last. So our apps is created in Android first. So yes, here now that you can look now our rectangle white screen and hello world. Yes, you can look. So you can look better. So here that our package explorer, that palette window, and that is our main screen. I double click that layout. So that is a yes, you can look hello world. So first underscore demo, that's hello world. I just take as a middle of our screen and control S. So that is a save. And now what to do. So we can take as creating AVD so that our apps is running. So in window, yes, here Android virtual device manager is there. So you can click, and I already created my AVD. So if you not know how to create, so you just I say you can click new, and here give like my test, yes, and then you can select your appropriate after giving the name of AVD. So AVD means Android virtual device. And here I simplicity select last one, small size. Here tablet size, so many resolution, height and width is there. But we have to initially take small, means our requirement based on our output requirement. So I click OK. So that is a created. And now how to run, yes, our device. So my AVD I just select and start button, and then you can take as a launch button. So that progress bar is that start our emulator, that screen. Yes, our device is now. So I just take as minimize and I close. So behind then activity is going on. So what to do? So here our device is running. So that taking some time. So I just explain structure of, that is a anatomy of Android. So here there are 7 pillar or 7 main folder. So our file, which folder? That residence folder. So src, so that is a first our main Java file which we can apply to our coding. So that is a, I also cover as a anatomy of Android. So that is a structure of Android. Yes. So why I taking this part also? Because our device is not ready. So I explain some idea about the uh, Android project and that folder and which folder, which file is stored. So here our package and that Java, yes, main activity.java, yes, that is a you code to apply. And in main activity class, to activity class is a extend. Okay, so that is a first pillar. Second, gen, that is a machine generated, and r.java, that is very important file. All our resources means our id and that our main application, that size, resolution, icon, layout, menu, all that are stored in r.java. So any our user control element, so that is a user screen element that like button, text, edit text. So all control in palette window that we have to take from r.java file as ID. So that is very, and build configuration file. So that is the second important folder. Then two libraries there. Asset is a blank. Third, that is a bin. So here our main Android main fist file is there. So that is a totally XML based file. Here you can look. So main face is a XML is a rules one root tag. So here main face tag is itself is a root tag, and last that is complete. And in child tag that our application, yes, first SDK. So that is a minimum and target, and then application coming. So our icon, our application name, our themes, and then activity. So our rectangle white screen that known as activity, intent filtering, all are these in that bin folder. So next library is there, yes. Then res, yes, that very important. Here our icon is store ic underscore launcher.png. Our layout, that is our XML file that store in layout folder. And value, that is a here how to, yes, I just show you. So our device is ready, I think. So let us check. I open XML file, yes, and I double click. So you can look, and again I double click. So that is a full screen. How you can change this hello world? So I can also explain, but first we can run. Yes, here one apps is create and our device is ready now. So yes, I think that perfectly ready. So what to do? How to run? So yes, I now start how to run. So you can just select Android application project in this package explorer and right click, yes, and then run as Android application. So let us check that running. Yes, now that displaying here. So yes, I take how to change that hello world in that I also display that XML file. So let us check first that output is coming. Then I show you that layout file is XML coding is where. So yes, that output is coming. So here some process is going on, and now that I think complete. So that workspace is here. That all process Delvi Virtual DVM. So that is a compile our code. Yes, now that you can look our hello world. First Android apps is running. So yes, is this hello world string how to change? Yes, that is very important. So let us check. I just back button is there here in our device, and again I run. Let us check how it's run. So yes, you can look our Android logo and our first underscore demo. I double click, so that running again. Yes, look. Yes, I again press back button, and then now I can minimize. Okay, so what to do? So yes, here you can look, there are two tabs. So here that graphical layout is there. So I just I double click, so that is a full screen. And now I select here that tab. So XML, yes. So here you can look that relatively layout is a default layout in Android apps, and that all are our width, height, bottom, all are margin that are in. And next text view, that one control text view. and then text is that string, yes, that resources, and hello underscore word, that is a ID. So where that file, so our res resources and value, then string.xml. So how to change that default string? So I also take that part. So here that you can look, there are string.xml, and here I change this, so I can edit any here, like we can remove this and give any. Suppose we can say that hello from BCA, yes, Sam 6. So I can change and then save, yes. So save, and let us check our main screen XML file. So now you can change, yes, our, I double click, so that is a full screen, yes. So just that taking some time. So here I can, okay, save all, so that not reference is, now you can look at the chain hello from BCSM6. So now again I run and I give the second technique how you can run. So here that is a run button is there, yes, and also that option is a run as, that is a second technique, you can run your Android application. So now let us check that device is ready, yes, and also you can take this button here, then button is there, so you can just click, and here our previously on application is appear, and run as option but not any non applicable. So here we can select our first demo, any one. So that is a running, yes, now that running, yes. So look, so our device is ready, so let us check, yes. So wait and watch. So that taking output, and our text is changed. So I think you have to know first time you can where which place you have to go. So here that res folder and value folder and string.xml, that is taking hello world. So I can change that string, and now updated that our output is now displaying our device. So now I think that process is completed. So now, yes, you can look our output hello from BCSM6. So that perfectly. So now that screen is activated. So yes, that is sufficient. So I cover so many parts in this session. So after one by one, I taking more lecture of this Android Studio. Our Android Studio, we can also, there are two editor, ADT here now I take as a ADT bundle, but Android Studio you can also take your Android application, means apps you have to create. So step by step. So I hope you can understand. So I just summarize how I apply in this session, which topic I cover. So first, you can check your JDK in your PC or laptop. Then second step, if not appropriate version in your ADT bundle, Android development tools. So you can download from internet and install, and then ADT bundle for Windows OS or any other OS for your laptop or PC, you can download, but just configuration, not install. Then it open preference is very important. SDK is not loading properly, so that taking error. So what is the solution? Go in window menu and then select preference, and then right panel Android, and then you can take SDK proper folder, and then how to create apps. So file menu, new Android application project, and then you can give the apps name, and four time next and last finished. So your application is created. And then how to run? So right click and there run as an Android application, just select, and before you can run, you can create your AVD. So you can go in window and AVD device manager, and then you can take as press new button, then you can give AVD name and select your device, and then select your list to AVD name from that list, and start button, and then launch button. So your device is ready. So look that our device is ready. So that is all about, and then we can two-way how to run your Android app. So there are two-way. First, right click and then run. And here that button is there, so you can select that. Recently open all Android apps is listed to here. So there is two-way you can run your Android apps. So I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.